The artifacts in the British Museum comes from all over the world, and I'm really interested in history. So today I choose two exhibits related to ancient Chinese stories and British history. This is the admonition scroll, a Chinese masterpiece from around the 6th to 8th century. It illustrated a text instructing women on how to behave properly at court, but its true significance lies in its artistry. Painted by the legendary art Gu Kaizhi, it is a perfect example of early Chinese brushwork. The graceful lines, the flowing robes, and the expressive faces capture a deep sense of elegance and emotion. For China, this scroll is a national treasure, a rare surviving link to its ancient artistic and cultural roots. It shows us sophisticated value and aesthetic ideals of classical Chinese civilization. Now, let's turn to the foundation of British history, the Magna Carta. This document from 1215 was a peace treaty between King John and his rebellious followers. Its most revolutionary idea, that the king was not above the law, this single principle laid the groundwork for fundamental rights we know today, like the right to a fair trial. For Britain, the Magna Carta is the symbolic beginning of constitutional government and individual liberty. Its influence even shaped modern documentaries around the world. So we see two different kinds of color. The admonition scroll shows the enduring power of art and culture, a window into the soul of ancient China. The Magna Carta shows the power of words and law, a document that changed the course of history. Together, they offer a glimpse into the diverse treasures of human history. Thank you.